Hello, young artists. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're setting sail on a magical adventure as we draw a Viking boat inspired by the enchanting world of Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. So grab your drawing tools and let's embark on this creative journey. We started our drawing by bringing the majestic dragon head to life. It has a long neck with scales, and we added pointy ears to give it that magical dragon charm. Now, let's move on to the boat's body. Along the top edge, we've drawn 4 circular shields, which we'll decorate later, creating the boat's base. And for the finishing touch on the boat's body, we've crafted a tail with round edges and adorned it with scales. We've added wavy lines to give it that Viking ship look. To make our Viking boat even more splendid, we've added a flag proudly stretching across a frame in the middle of the boat. And now comes the most exciting part, coloring. For the body of the boat, we've chosen a friendly shade of orange. With peach-colored scales that shimmer magically. The shields are adorned in classic orange, pink, purple, and turquoise, giving our boat a burst of color. The boat's body is comprised of big planks, separated by light and dark shades of peach. followed by a pattern in brown that adds depth and texture. And last but not least, our flag is flying high in a cheerful shade of red, signaling our artistic triumph. There you have it. Our magical Viking boat inspired by Ben and Holly's little kingdom is complete. I hope you had a blast drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative adventures, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see you on our next artistic voyage. Keep those pencils and colors ready, and until next time, happy drawing.